Hello everyone. So for our first craft today, start off by tracing the shape of your hand as such by putting in your middle finger. So then draw a little line at the base of your palm and draw the eyes and the mouth as shown with the tongue sticking out. Then on the shape of your little finger and on the shape of your thumb finger, draw the inner sides of the ears. Add spots all over and color it in, and there you have yourself a giraffe. Now, for our next craft, we will be tracing the outline of our hand once again, but in this position. Put your palms together but leave your thumb out. Where your thumb was, trace an inner lining in an ovular shape. Where the rest of your fingers were, draw one line to make the nose, and then draw stripes all over the body with eyes. Color the stripes in, and there you'll have yourself a zebra. In addition to this, to add the hair of the giraffe, add spikes all over the back of the zebra. Now color it in stripes as well. You may add pink to the ears and also color in the nose black. Now for our next craft, start off by stenciling your hand once again, but leave your fingers apart. Join the bottom as seen, and then add eyes and a beak to the thumb finger. Add curvy lines on the bottom as such, and then add a pair of legs. Color in red for the top, and you may color in the fingers as you please. You will have yourself a hen at the end of this. You may also color the feet brown. Now for our next craft, trace the shape of your hand as shown above while putting your middle finger in. In the space of the first three fingers, draw spikes and connect it to each other as seen above. And where the pointer finger used to be, draw a little nose. Add teeth in between the pointer and the thumb finger and eyes where the middle finger was. Color it in as you wish and you have yourself a wolf. And thank you for watching.